Norway's recent acquisition of the Advanced Medium-Range Air-to-Air Missile, Extended Range, or AMRAAM-ER, represents a pivotal enhancement to its air defense framework, reflecting a strategic response to evolving threats and a deepening commitment to NATO's collective security architecture. Approved by the U.S. State Department on August 22, 2024, this $405 million foreign military sale, certified by the Defense Security Cooperation Agency, involves 100 AMRAAM-ER missiles, 4 AIM-120C 8 guidance sections, and a comprehensive support package including containers, spare parts, classified software, training, and logistics services. RTX Corporation, based in Tucson, Arizona, leads the contract, collaborating with Norway's Kongsberg Defense and Aerospace, which contributes key components like the 10-inch control actuator system. This deal, devoid of offset agreements, and with no adverse effect on U.S. defense readiness, aligns seamlessly with American and Norwegian objectives to bolster European stability amid rising tensions, particularly in the High North. The procurement process, initiated with congressional notification in August 2024, aims to phase out Norway's older AIM-120B AMRAAM missiles, replacing them with a variant boasting a 50% increase in range and a 70% boost in altitude capability, thanks to a 10-inch NAMO rocket motor and advanced flight control algorithms. While precise delivery schedules remain fluid as of March 7, 2025, the timeline for such FMS deals typically spans 12 to 24 months for initial shipments, suggesting Norway could see operational units by mid-2026. A significant milestone occurred on February 27, 2025, when Norway conducted the first successful flight test of an upgraded AMRAAM-ER integrated into its National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System, NASAMS. This test, showcasing the Norwegian propulsion stack, a synergy of Namo's enhanced motor and Kongsberg's actuator system, alongside the AIM-120C 8 guidance section, demonstrated improved target tracking, speed, and maneuverability. Raytheon's Paul Ferraro praised this leap, noting its role in securing NASAMS's future against evolving aerial threats through agile software upgrades, a testament to a decade-long development journey since the AMRAAM-ER's inception in 2015. In operational terms, the AMRAAM-ER fulfills dual roles that amplify Norway's defensive posture. Integrated into NASAMS, a medium-range system co-developed by Raytheon and Kongsberg since 1994, the missile extends interception ranges beyond 40 kilometers and altitudes above 20 kilometers, offering robust protection against a spectrum of threats: fighters, drones, and cruise missiles. Likely deployed at northern bases near the Russian border, such as Andoya or Ivenis, NASAMS safeguards critical infrastructure and population centers, reinforcing Norway's role as NATO's Northern Sentinel. Simultaneously, when mounted on Norway's 52-strong F-35A fleet, stationed primarily at Orland and Evenes air stations, the AMRAAM-ER enhances beyond visual range engagement, complementing the aircraft's stealth and sensor fusion with a reach that outstrips shorter-range options like the AIM-9X Sidewinder. Norway's altruistic streak shines through as well, with its pledge to deliver 2 additional NASAMS units to Ukraine in partnership with the U.S., complete with operator training, building on prior donations in 2022 to counter Russian missile barrages. This acquisition fortifies Norway's air defense in multiple dimensions. The extended range and altitude capabilities enable it to neutralize advanced threats, like Russia's Su-35 fighters or Iskander missiles, at greater distances, while its interoperability with NASAMS and F-35A aligns it with NATO allies such as the US, Spain, and Australia, all NASAMS users. The system's dual-use flexibility bridges ground and air domains, offering adaptability in dynamic threat environments, from low-flying drones to high-altitude bombers. In the High North, where Arctic tensions simmer, this bolsters deterrence, particularly as Russia's military presence grows in Murmansk and the Kola Peninsula. Compared to regional peers, Norway's AMRAAM-ER adoption outpaces Sweden and Finland in versatility. Sweden relies on the Patriot system and RBS-70, which, while effective, lack the AMRAAM-ER's air-to-air potential and integration with stealth platforms. Finland, newly equipped with F-35s, pairs them with shorter-range missiles, trailing Norway's BVR edge. Russia, however, poses a stiffer challenge with its S-400 systems and R-77 missiles, boasting ranges up to 400 kilometers and 110 kilometers respectively. Yet Norway counters with NATO synergy, stealth advantages, and a proven testing pedigree. Delving deeper into the technical evolution, the AMRAAM-ER's journey from concept to deployment highlights a collaborative triumph. Initiated in 2015, the missile underwent rigorous live-fire tests in 2021, refining its propulsion and guidance systems to meet modern warfare's demands. The February 2025 test underscored this progress, with the AIM-120C8 guidance section enhancing target acquisition precision, a critical factor against agile adversaries. Kongsberg's contribution, the 10-inch control actuator system, lends the missile exceptional maneuverability, allowing it to adjust mid-flight for pinpoint intercepts. This Norwegian propulsion stack not only elevates NASAMS, but also positions Norway as a technological innovator within NATO, a role amplified by its industrial partnership with Raytheon. The absence of offset agreements in the FMS deal further streamlines this collaboration, ensuring focus remains on capability rather than economic quid pro quos. Strategically, the AMRAAM-ER aligns with Norway's broader military modernization, complementing recent acquisitions like the K9 Thunder howitzers and naval strike missiles. This holistic approach addresses air, land, and sea domains, reflecting lessons from Ukraine's conflict, where air defense has proven decisive. Norway's northern geography, proximate to Russia's northern fleet and Arctic bases, amplifies the urgency of this upgrade, as does its role in NATO exercises like Arctic Challenge, where F-35s armed with AMRAAM-ERs could dominate simulated engagements. The missile's integration into NASAMS also enhances Norway's contribution to NATO's integrated air and missile defense framework, fostering joint operations with allies like the US and Denmark, the latter a recent partner in NSM procurement. This interoperability extends to training, with Norwegian personnel likely honing skills alongside American counterparts, ensuring rapid operational readiness. Assessing Norway against its neighbors reveals a nuanced balance of strengths. Sweden's Patriot systems excel in long-range, high-altitude defense, but lack the AMRAAM-ER's ground-to-air adaptability, while its Gripen fighters, armed with Meteor missiles, offer competitive BVR range over 100 kilometers, yet miss the F-35's stealth edge. Finland's F-35 program, still in its infancy, will eventually mirror Norway's air-to-air potential, but its ground-based defenses, centered on systems like the NASAMS-compatible IRIS-T, lag in range compared to the AMRAAM-ER. Russia's S-400 and R-77 arsenal outranges Norway's missiles, yet its systems face interoperability challenges with Western allies, a gap Norway exploits through NATO cohesion. The AMRAAM-ER's 50% range boost over the AIM-120B, estimated at 70 to 100 kilometers for the ER variant, falls short of the S-400's reach, but its agility and integration with stealth platforms level the playing field, particularly in contested airspace. In conclusion, Norway's AMRAAM-ER procurement cements its status as a linchpin in Northern European air defense. Outpacing Sweden and Finland in versatility and technological integration, it counters Russia's quantitative edge with qualitative finesse and alliance solidarity. As deliveries unfold, likely by 2026-2027, and operational deployment matures, Norway's skies will grow more secure, its NATO role more pronounced. This investment, rooted in a decade of innovation and validated by the February 2025 test, not only shields national interests, but also shapes the Arctic security landscape, ensuring Norway remains a titan in an increasingly volatile theater.